Arnett Gardens shopkeeper shot multiple times, while the mother of slain 14-year-old Yetanya Francis flees the community.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Worshippers at the Inner City for Christ ministry in Arnett Gardens fell to the floor in fear as gunshots echoed outside the church in a daring gun attack late Tuesday night. When the congregation wobbled to their feet and went outside, one man was discovered shot in what residents on 12th Street in the South St. Andrew community claim was a reprisal attack for the murder of 14-year-old Yetanya Princess Francis, who was raped and whose body was burnt in the church's open lot last Thursday. The police said that the injured man, a shopkeeper, was shot multiple times by at least 3 thugs who ordered ganja before the shooting took place at about 9:30 p.m. They said that the gunmen made their escape on a section of 12th Street that has been without streetlights for months. According to the residents, the shopkeeper lived 2 doors down from Francis' home and was targeted because he was allegedly involved in a case of carnal abuse 3 years ago. Police, however, could not confirm the allegations, even as they took a man into custody for questioning about the rape case and patrolled the area, hoping to calm fearful residents. We over the church heard the barrage of shots and everybody just dropped on the ground and started praying. Then somebody called the police and told them that we were trapped over there. We did not know where it was coming from, recalled a female congregant. It's little bit afterward that we take time come out and we see the yellow tape. We never know that it's right here it happened, so close, lamented the woman, pointing to the bloody shop from which the injured man was hurriedly hoisted after residents heard him calling out for help. The incident has left many tense as rumors of further reprisals from the shopkeeper's relatives have spiraled. Some residents pointed fingers at men from another section of the community who they say are trying to take the rape probe into their own hands. Others speculated that Tuesday night's attack may be a decoy aimed at hiding the true perpetrators, while some, like Yetanya's mother, Latoya Riley, took the opportunity to flee the community on Tuesday night. I just want it to be over and done so everything can go back to normal. Right now, it's like everything is just tumbling down on me, said the distraught Riley.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.